Good morning. It is breakfast time. So I have a wonderful recipe that I wanted to share because it is filling and it is tasty, and I think that you are really going to like this. So this is called banana bread protein oats. So I will go ahead and I'm also going to include the recipe in the description box, but I wanted to show what it looks like. So what you're going to do is you are going to take a banana, you're going to mash it up. You are going to add about a quarter cup of oats, a half a cup of water, and then you are going to toss that into the microwave for about 90 seconds to 2 minutes. So I have got that in the that all done in the microwave. So now I'm just going to stir it. And I know that you're probably thinking that that sounded like a lot of water. Well, you want it to be a little bit on the soupy side because you are going to add protein powder to it. So you're going to add 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder to your oatmeal, and then that's going to thicken this up pretty significantly. So you're going to give it a nice stir. You don't want to cook the protein powder because you don't want to lose any of its nutrients by cooking it. All right. So now I've got that stirred up, so it's got a much better consistency. Get some of that protein powder that was on the side. Okay, so there we go. We've got that. And then from here, you add some, you can either add, there calls for vanilla extract and butter extract. You can either add the extracts when you put it in the microwave, or you can wait until after you take it out. That doesn't really matter. I added those in beforehand. So it's a quarter teaspoon each of butter extract and vanilla extract. I actually don't have any vanilla extract, so I added a couple droplets of the Sweet Drops English toffee extract or sweetener, I should say. And then it calls for some walnuts and some chocolate chips. Sugar, it calls for sugar-free chocolate chips. Whether or not you use sugar-free chocolate chips is up to you. So I'm just going to add in a small little shake of those walnuts. And then we're going to top with the chocolate chips. And there you go. This is called banana bread protein oats. It is absolutely delicious. This is from I had a fork that I was stirring it with. This is actually from the Brianne Freeman Master Your Macros cookbook. And it was this. I will go ahead and I will share the recipe in the notes, but if you're looking for a tasty and even more filling way to have some oatmeal in the morning, adding the protein powder gives it extra protein that our bodies need, and it does help make it so that it's a more filling and lasts even longer. So I hope that you try it. I hope that you give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you tried it and what you thought of it. Thank you. Have a good day.